Good evening. Today we will talk about how Chinese aggression has changed the Indian foreign policy. Today we won't talk about the LSE issue because we are talking it since very long and we will be talking it in near future as well. But today we will talk about our foreign policy and how it has changed. See, since the time of Mao, China was practicing the policy of talk, talk, fight, fight. But right now we are giving China the test of its own medicine. We are not fighting, but we are also talking, but side by side we are preparing for the worst. We have we are having our forces on the top strategic position on the LSE. So it is a big pressure tactic on China, and we are also talking with China. And this time we were talking where? We were talking in Moscow with our in company of our old friend, that is Russia. So we are in talks with Russia, and we are using the Russian platform in Moscow to talk with China. And whatever we are talking, we are not talking anything false. We are not making false commitments. We are saying them that okay, if you want to live with peace with us, you are always welcome and we will live with peace. But side by side, we are getting ready for the worst as well. And on the same evening, when Mr. Jaishankar was meeting his counterpart of China in Russia, there was another thing going on in Washington. There was going on the signing of defense agreement between United States and Maldives. Now when Maldives is signing defense agreement with US, definitely India is in the background of the talks, because US won't jeopardize its interest with India for Maldives, and Maldives also can't do go for such a big thing without Indian permission and without taking India into confidence, because we are friends of Maldives. We have supported them economically with $1.5 billion. So to take them out of clutches of China, we are also making $500 million bridge in Maldives. So we are having quite a good term relationship with them. And now this defense agreement means what? It means that now America will be using bases of Maldives, that is Quad will also be using. Previously, whatever we used to do, we used to also give signals to China that we are not doing anything which is anti-China. But look, today we are openly engaging with Quad, we are strengthening the Quad, and we are doing everything. And China knows for whom Quad is there. We are signing defense agreements with Australia, defense MOUs with Australia. We are signing agreements with Japan, and China is knowing for whom all these agreements and all these MOUs and institution of Quad is. It is for China only. So our foreign policy is very clear. We are doing everything which we need to do without giving any explanation to China. Now, since a couple of years almost, we were not a part of peace talks in Afghanistan because Taliban was there, and we consider it untouchable. Definitely, we don't like Taliban, but right now the peace talks going on in Doha between Taliban and the Afghan government. India is also a part in that peace talk. That means what? That now India, to get its own share of global power in the changing global power dynamics, is ready to dirty its hands. And I'm happy that we are ready to do anything to get the share of our pie in the new power dynamics of the world. So we will stop China everywhere. We will do everything to stop China, and we will also do to ensure that we get our share in the new power arrangement in this world. Thank you.